Welcome to the KindProxy dashboard. I'll guide you through ordering your first residential proxies traffic plan. Our traffic plans are flexible prepaid proxies with a validity period. You only pay for the traffic you use. First, click the Traffic Plan menu. Then open the Pricing tab. Here, you can see two types of plans: Standard plans and Enterprise plans. Enterprise plans come with a 3,650-day validity period, making them suitable for long-term usage. They are also more cost-efficient for larger-scale usage. For enterprise users with higher bandwidth or compute requirements, you can contact our support team for customized solutions. Next, let's switch to the standard plans, which are suitable for most individual users and small-scale projects. The standard plans include multiple validity options, such as 30 days, 60 days, 90 days, and 180 days, giving you flexible options based on your usage needs. Next, let's take a look at the payment options. First, click the Buy Now button. In the right side pop-up, you can see the order details and payment methods. In the Order section, you can switch between different validity options by selecting the corresponding radio button. Under Payment Method, you can choose between credit card/digital wallets or cryptocurrency payment. You can also use Kind Wallet, which requires topping up your balance before checkout. Now let's take a look at the available payment options under credit card and digital wallets. To make payments more convenient, we support a variety of local digital wallets based on your region, and the system will automatically display the available options according to your IP address. In addition to credit card, Apple Pay, and Google Pay, we also support several local payment methods, including Alipay, Alipay HK, Touch 'n Go, Gcash, and Rabbit Line Pay next. Feel free to click here to check the supported cryptocurrencies and blockchain networks.